So today I want to share with you a little bit about the research I do to look into Westchester market. What are the homes for sale? What's kind of going on and what's the trend? Because when you see this week over week over week, you start noticing trends and you say, okay, hey, maybe we're heading towards a different kind of market. So I wanted to share my screen so you could see that what I do is I set up a market watch. And for anyone that wants to really look into a specific area and they have MLS access, I definitely recommend this. You set up the boundaries. And every day it shows you the information for that area. So you're not just looking at the homes that sold, which they call closed sales, which we have 5. These are the most important because this is what actually shows weight. And when you go sell your house, an appraiser holds to the highest value. But you also start seeing, wow, there's a lot of new homes for sale. What is it? And that's within the last 7 days. So I set it up here, customizable. You could do it today, 7, 24-hour. So in 7 days, we had 14 homes go for sale, which means 2 homes a day. And when we look at it, we can see I set up statistics too. So this is the way that I set it up. Sale price, list price. And I like to adjust it by list price so I can see the range. So we're going from mid 500s, that's the low end already, to 1.3 million. And these homes have been on the market for a little bit. The ones that are higher, at some point they tried going on the market, then they went off, whether they weren't ready, they didn't have the pictures. And then now they're back on. So we can see here the homes. And I like to look at the map. I'm a very visual person. So I'd like to see where are they distributed. And every week it changes. I could see here, there's certain weeks that there's no movement down here and there's a bunch up here. And then this time, there's not a lot of movement on University Park. But you see Westwood Lakes, Olympia Heights, Westchester. Westchester usually always has a movement. And then here, this area here in between the two. Park Estates. So, okay, so I get to see that. And then I try to look for the one that's the highest value, which is the 1.3, which is likely, let's see if I missed it. Here we go. It's likely this one. It's a 4,000 square feet, 4,243 square feet, built in 2007. Only 2 pictures. A little bit of a disservice there, but they're probably updating their pictures. And let me see here, it has a pool of 15 by 30, saltwater pool in Westchester, in the heart of Miami. So I get to see all this information, see what's going on. And then I can also look at the property history. So if it's been there, when it kind of sold. So I can see here in 2022, it sold for $1,050,000. And now 2 years later, we're on the market for 1.3. Okay. So you start seeing that and you start seeing that over and over, and you're able to really differentiate what's going on in our area. So that's what I wanted to share. Hopefully you find this beneficial or it helps you do your own research also on Zillow. If you want to set up a little boundary and have everything come to you, you'll become the expert. You'll know more than most real estate agents that say they know the area. So anyway, that's it for the video. Hope this is helpful. Until next time.